Let's install the SANUS Advanced Tilt 4D TV wall mount. You'll need the following tools. In the box, you'll find a worry-free drilling template, comprehensive TV hardware bag, hardware for wood stud and concrete wall installations, TV brackets, and wall plate. First, attach the bracket to the back of your TV using a Phillips head screwdriver. Be careful to not over-tighten the bolts. Next, time to drill. We'll be featuring a wood stud mount installation in this video. If you're installing in concrete, check out the manual for details. If you need help to determine where to drill your holes, if you want your TV installed at a certain height, use the SANUS Height Finder on SANUS.com. Once you know the height you'd like to mount your TV at, find your studs with a stud finder. Then tape up your worry-free drill template. Make sure you level it before marking your drill holes. Then drill. Then hold up the mount wall plate and secure your lag bolts and washers in the pilot holes you just drilled. Last step, hanging the TV. Extend the brackets, then hang onto top rail of wall plate. Push bottom of the brackets onto the bottom rail of wall plate. You will hear an audible click when in position. Secure TV with locking tab at the bottom of the TV brackets and close top wall plate cover. When you manage your cables from TV to wall, extend the TV outward and tilt TV up or down to gain better access to the back of the TV. You can easily adjust the TV tilter swivel with just a touch of a finger. You can adjust the tension by loosening the tilt knob. To make slight adjustments to level your TV, turn the level adjustment screw on top of either TV bracket to raise or lower your TV. You can also slide your TV left and right for perfect placement on your wall. Done! Easily installs in 20 minutes or less. If you have any questions or concerns, please get in touch with our super knowledgeable expert customer care team available 7 days a week. Thanks from the team at SANUS.